Yo, ladies and gentlemen, we're back to eating with my newfound friend Fred, breaking a little bread. Check it out. This part 2 of this mini series. Here we go, baby.
Bread.
Now, this little bird, Fred Birdford, we found was definitely injured, so we made him a nest on the ground. We also made him a little bird feast, as you will. Let's see how this goes, y'all. Thank you for watching. Peace.
Hey, birdie. Hey, birdie. Little bird feast. I would eat it. You should try it. Should have figured out I'm not trying to hurt you. By now. Bird appetit, man. Bird appetit. I'll check on you tomorrow. Pretty bird eyes. You know I see you. All right. Enjoy. You're moving on up now. I gave you an orange. It's about the same color as your chest. You moving up. Now that's a bird nest for you there. Huh? That's a supreme bird nest there. Moving on up like the Jeffersons. Huh. Started from the bottom, now you're here. Started from the bottom, now you're eating oranges on a tree. Uh-huh. Get you some sleep now. I've been working every minute, put my heart in it, trying to make a living these days, sure ain't easy. And I gave them all my time. Working 9 to 5, trying to stay alive but not paid enough. Believe